Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with Echo Park's Jungle Safari Collection Kit. This collection kit has 2 pages of cut-aparts, both the 4x6s and the 3x4s. There's 12 pattern papers, including the cut-aparts, in total. There are also the 2 sticker sheets that have the alphabets as well as some really cute imaging and stuff like that. So today's bundle is a really unique bundle. It's a build your own bundle. For this week, so starting March 11th, 2019, going throughout the whole week, when you buy 2 Echo Park collection kits, you get your choice of several free Cartabella kits, and it's a way of allowing you guys to decide which of the ones that you like the best. And I just picked this Jungle Safari kit to work with because it has some green in it, and it seems like with St. Patrick's Day coming up, lots of people are working with green right now, so I thought, well, I'll pick something that has a lot of green in it to sort of mark the occasion as well. But in the end, I ended up picking this yellow, which was a nice sort of generic backdrop with polka dots, of course. So here I'm creating a sleeve for my Daily Doodles planner, and it's a fun way to either put a cover on top of a little notebook or to put a little insert in that creates pockets. So what I've done here is I've sewn some tulle to create a pocket on the outside of the cover here, and then I'm just snipping off all of the different threads that are hanging off, as well as some of the overhanging tulle after I sewed the entire edge around. And that's going to create my background pocket for the little insert that I'm making here. So I did the sewing before I glued these edges up, and that edge there is going to create the pocket. And then I'm going to go in and decorate both the inside and the outside as well. So the sequins are really cute. I loved those colors. They matched this collection perfectly. I'm going to bring a doily in to be sort of the focal point, and then I'm going to build off of that. So I start off with its jungle out there, and I bring in some prima flowers that have, a little bit of blue or green or brown, and I want something just very subtle, just to give a little bit of texture to the background behind there. And then I'm going to bring in some buttons because the collection has a lot of orange in it, and that's not shown anywhere. So I'm going to bring the orange in and put some little twine bows on top of that. So in the end, I actually end up taking off one of those bows. I love this little toucan. It's really cute. It was maybe my favorite little character from the collection, but I wanted to balance out the blue, so I put that adventure down at the bottom. I spread out the sequins to the top and the bottom, and then I glued the doily into the center there, so that way it keeps the separation between the two. Not all of the sequins will fall down to the bottom, and yet they'll still move around freely within the top and bottom spaces. So I used the stickers from the sticker sheet to create a little banner on top, and then I just go ahead and I glue the top of the banner pieces in so that they stay in place and they're adhered really well. And then the other things I didn't want to glue down because I wanted the sequins to still be able to freely move under them. So because that tulle is there, the little bit of stickiness that was on the flags will sort of stick to the tulle, but it's not sticking to the paper underneath, so it was kind of a good solution. So there you see I take that twine bow off because I had too many with the bows that I had put up at the top, I just wanted to have like a visual triangle of the 3 bows. So I left the one down on the smaller button and I left the big button to stand on its own. And then I come in and I add some enamel dots. And I add some enamel dots to the flags as well. Gain another level of texture. Just come in with some cute simple stickers on the inside. The flowers, and take a walk on the wild side. And then that lions and tigers and bears, oh my, just goes on the back there. Now I have these great pockets to put any little stickers or different planning essentials that I wanted to put in my book. So you can see here how I'm just going to slide that into place, and then the adventure came off, so I glued it down with my glue gun, and I eventually go back actually and I tuck that little leaf under so it doesn't cover part of the word. And yeah, so that's as simple as that. It's a really cute, fun little addition to my planner. And I've got lots of pockets to store my supplies in. And I thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this collection or any of the other Echo Park or Carta Bella collections, you should head over to polkadotmailbox.com and see what we have. And you can buy 2, get 1 free. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.